Let's see how to download and install CYPE programs using CYPE Menu. This app has a general menu that lets us access the most frequently used CYPE programs after managing their download and installation individually. To do this, we open our web browser and access the BIMserver.center platform page. In the top right-hand corner, we find the options for logging in, or if we don't have an account, for registering completely free of charge by clicking on Register here. To register, we enter our name, surname, email address, and password for our BIMserver.center account. This data doesn't have to match the data associated with a CYPE license. Then we click on Register. To complete the registration, we must accept the validation email that we will receive at the email address provided. Once we have registered, we must log in to BIMserver.center with the account we have created. To do this, again on the BIMserver.center page, we click on Login at the top right, enter the email and password, and click on Access Now. After logging in and accessing the BIMserver.center platform, we select the Store section in the top right-hand navigation menu. This will take us to the application catalogue. At the top, we can search for apps by name, category, or tags. Once we have located the app, we click on it to open its specific page. On the right, we click on the Download button. In the pop-up window, we select the desired version and click Download again. This will download an executable file to the configured path, which will let us carry out the complete download of the app and its installation. To do this, we double-click on the downloaded file in the download path or click on it directly in the browser options. In the window that appears, first we select the language in which we want to install the program. In the next pop-up window, we check the path where the app will be downloaded and check the Install Automatically After Downloading box. Finally, we click on Begin Download. This way, when the program download has finished, the installation process will start automatically. Here, we accept the terms of the license contract and the responsibility clause, and follow the steps indicated in the different windows. We then choose the drive where the program will be installed, and if desired, we check the boxes to create shortcuts on the desktop and in the Programs menu. Finally, we click on Finish. After the installation is complete, the app opens automatically. We can also use the shortcuts created during the installation process to do so. In the CYPE menu interface, we click on Login on the left-hand side. In the pop-up menu, we select Login again. This opens the browser, where we click Allow to authorize the app to access our BIMserver.center account data. Then we click on the Accept option in the information window. We then enter the email and password associated with our CYPE license by selecting the Use Electronic License option at the bottom. This is required for any access mode to the program, whether it is a professional license, an evaluation license, or a campus license. Once this has been done, we look for the desired program among those available in the menu, which must be downloaded and installed one by one. To install a particular program in the CYPE menu, we select the program group at the top and find the program we wish to use in the middle. Then, we click on the button under the name of each program. This opens a window indicating whether the app is installed or not. If the application is not installed, we can select and install the most recent version or older versions. After clicking on the desired version, we select the language in which the program is to be installed. Once this is done, the download and installation process starts automatically. When the installation process is finished, the program will open. To log in to BIMserver.center in each app, we click on Login at the top right. and in the pop-up window. This opens the browser, where we select Allow to authorize the app to access our BIMserver.center account data. Afterwards, we click on the Accept button. From this moment on, we can use the program. Once installed, the program icon appears in color in the CYPE menu, allowing us to access it by clicking on it. If we click on the button located under the name of the program, we can run the installed version of the program, install other versions, or uninstall the program.